My name's Steve Sheffield. I have my wife and then I have two daughters who are living here, so everybody gets to enjoy the new additions to the house. You always keep getting the returns year after year after year, so it's definitely a worthwhile investment. We've been pretty happy with what it's been producing, and it's a good system. I've always wanted to do things that are better for like all of us in the end of it. And so after I got an electric car, I've always been dreaming about doing solar. Like the idea that solar came in after that was just par for the course, because you hear about the environmental impact that we're all having on the world today, and every little bit that we can do ourselves, well, that's what you have control over. So you might as well do something that's going to benefits you in the long run, benefits everybody. And then I was going through Instagram and saw there was a sort of an advertisement there. So I clicked on it, put in my information, got a call back, and like this was pretty comparable to the other system that the other people had quoted, but it was the right time. And speaking to the people at Solar, there's an outfit pretty good. So yeah, I mean, the installation went pretty well, and everybody is, you can see that they had confidence in what they were doing, and that's always nice to see, because we're benefiting from that, and we've switched over a lot of our equipment from being gas to electric. So that's going to be something that's going to be environmentally better, is not using as much gas. You're always reducing your footprint in the world, to leave no trace behind. You don't want to be part of the problem, and that's why I moved to electric car, and now I'm moving to solar, and then this is like another big step in making it even more efficient. And then with the new electrical appliances, that's cool. All part of the long term. Like anything you deal with the government, there's a lot of levels of information you have to fill out, and it does get a bit tedious in places, but it's well worth it. I mean, that's like anything you do. If it's not worth your time, it's not going to be, it's not going to be easy, but it's still going to be worth your time. Done with paying off the system and also reaping those benefits of that long-term investment. So we should get credits during the spring, summer, and fall, and that goes toward paying the sort of the winter time. Once we're done paying for it, we're into a really reduced electric bill. But anyway, it wasn't anything too surprising with the whole process, but like, you have to be committed to the long-term portion of it, and then you get to feel pretty nice about doing a great thing,